Hello students, let us know more about force. As already said above, a force is generated between two objects when they interact. ये इंटरेक्शन जो है दो तरह से हो सकती है and based on that forces can be classified into two categories: contact forces and non-contact forces. Let us first know contact forces. A contact force is that which is generated when two surfaces are in contact with each other. ये फोर्सेस तभी एक्ट करती हैं जब दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स एक दूसरे के फिजिकल कांटेक्ट में होती हैं. Let us know about types of contact forces. There are three types of contact forces: muscular force, frictional force, and mechanical force. Let us know about them in detail. First, the muscular force. It is the force applied by the muscles to do work. जैसे कि lifting of suitcase, pulling of water from well, weight lifting, running, pulling a cart. ये सारे actions जो हैं they are done with the help of force exerted by the muscles, and such kind of force is called as muscular force. The second one is frictional force. जब हम एक बॉल को किक करते हैं ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड जस्ट लीव इट, तो थोड़ी देर बाद जाकर वो अपने आप रुक जाती है आफ्टर मूविंग सम डिस्टेंस. दिस इज ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. फ्रिक्शन जो है वो जनरेट होता है दो सरफेसेस के बीच में व्हेन दे रब अगेंस्ट ईच अदर. और फ्रिक्शन जो होता है हमेशा मोशन को अपोज करता है. अबाउट फ्रिक्शन विल बी लर्निंग मोर इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. So did you get it? The second type of force, contact force, is frictional force. The third type of force, contact force, is mechanical force. That is the force applied by a machine. जितनी भी machines हैं वो मैकेनिकल फोर्स से वर्क करती हैं. जैसे मिक्सर ग्राइंडर हो गया, कार हो गई, कोई भी मशीन जो है वर्क कर रही है, इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द फोर्स अप्लाइड बाय द मशीन. These are three types of contact forces. Now let us come to the second type of force, which is non-contact force. Non-contact force वो होती है which is generated when two surfaces interact but they are not in contact with each other. Interact ज़रूर कर रहे हैं लेकिन आपस में physical contact में नहीं है. तो ये forces act from a distance. There are three main non-contact forces. Let us know more about them. The first one is gravitational force. The second one is electrostatic force. And the third one is magnetic force. These are three types of non-contact forces. Now let us know more about them in detail. The first one is gravitational force. Gravitational force जो है एक attractive force है which is existing between all the material things in this universe. An object exerts the force of attraction on all the other objects in the universe. लेकिन जो इसका मैग्नीट्यूड है that depends upon mass of the object and its distance from other objects. तो जितना heavier object होगा, that will exert more gravity than the lighter object. ठीक है? और इसी के कारण जो gravitational force is the gravity of the earth. The only important gravitational force is the gravity of the earth. Due to its extremely high mass, earth की extremely high mass, the gravitational force of earth is very strong and it pulls the thing towards its center. समझ आई बात? ये gravitational pull of the earth जो है, it is measured in terms of weight. We'll be studying about it in the next chapter. So जितनी भी अर्थ है, अर्थ is exerting a force of attraction all the other bodies and it tries to pull them towards its center. This is called as gravitational force. The next force is non-contact force is electrostatic force. When we rub a comb in your hair and then bring it near the pieces of paper, वो attract कर जाते हैं comb को. ये क्यों होता है? It happens due to electrostatic force which is developed between comb and a paper. Electrostatic force of attraction जो है, it is between two oppositely charged bodies, and we'll be learning more about it in chapter 15. ये जो चार्ज बॉडीज होती हैं, दे एक्सर्ट अ फोर्स ऑन अदर चार्ज या अनचार्ज बॉडीज, इसको इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स कहते हैं. ये हमने बहुत बार एक्सपीरियंस भी किया है कि व्हेन वी आर वियरिंग सिंथेटिक क्लोथ्स एंड अगर वो रब हो जाते हैं तो हमारे जो आर्म्स के हेयर होते हैं, समटाइम वाइल टेकिंग ऑफ स्वेटर्स, तो वो एक क्रैकलिंग साउंड भी आती है और हमारे हेयर पुल अप हो जाते हैं. व्हेन यू गो नियर द टीवी स्क्रीन तो आपको लगता है कि आपके जो आर्म्स के हेयर हैं वो दे स्टैंडिंग अप. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्सेस. ऑलराइट, ओके. द थर्ड नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स इज मैग्नेटिक फोर्स. जब एक आयरन पिन आप मैग्नेट के पास लेकर आते हैं, then what happens? It immediately goes and gets stuck to the magnet. This happens due to magnetic force exerted by the magnet. जो magnets होते हैं, they exert this force on some substances, जैसे कि iron, nickel, cobalt. We have already studied this and we already know कि magnet के दो poles होते हैं, एक north pole, एक south pole. When similar poles are brought near one another, they repel, and when opposite poles are brought nearer, they attract. So that is all about contact and non-contact forces.